Okay, today we're doing Module 1, Foundation of Algebra, A.APR.1, Level 1 Reteach. Simplify each expression and write your simplified expression in standard form. So standard form is in descending order. So the first thing I need to know is I can combine these x's. 7 minus 10 is a minus 3x. I can also do the constants. I have a minus 3 and a 1, so that's going to get me a minus 2. Taking a look at the next one. We're going to put the a first, and then I'm going to combine these two. Same signs, add and keep, so it's a minus 19. Taking a look here, we're going to put the one with the highest exponent first, and since it's negative, I'm going to do negative 2x squared. I'm going to combine the 3 and the 4, and so that's going to be a minus 1x, or I just write x, and then I write minus 9. Taking a look at the next one. So in order to add and subtract fractions, you have to have a common denominator. So I'm looking at 5 and 7. So my common denominator would be 35. So I want to get a 35b. Then I'm going to bring down the 2 and a minus, and I want to have a 35b. So I got to figure out what I got to multiply the top by. So in order to get 35, I'm going to have to multiply this one by a 5 and this one by a 7. So 17 times 7 is 119, and 5 times 10 is 50. Then to combine like terms, those are the ones I'm going to combine. 119 minus 50 is going to get me 69 over 35b plus 2. Taking a look at the next one, we're going to put it in standard order. So we're going to put the x's together first. And I have 3 minus 5, which is going to get me a negative 3x squared. And then I'm going to do my x, which is minus x. And then finally, I'm going to do 3 plus 7, or plus 10xy. Taking a look at here, again, I need to get a common denominator. I know that there's a 1 right here, so I really have 9 over 5x minus, and I need to make this a 5x. I need to multiply the top and the bottom by 5, which would be 40. So 9 minus 5 is going to get me a negative 31 over 5x. Taking a look at the next one, I need to combine like terms. I am going to get the one with the highest exponent of x, which are these three. So don't forget about Mr. Wonderful. So we have 1 plus 8. 1 plus 7 is 8 minus 2. Minus 6 is a 2x squared y. And then I'm just going to bring down the plus x y to the third and the minus 8. Now I'm going to need to distribute. When I distribute, I get a negative 6x. 6 times 2 is a minus 12, and then a minus 2. I'm going to combine these two, and I get a 6x minus 14. Taking a look at the next one, I'm going to distribute, and I get 11y to the second minus 33y plus 13y. I'm going to combine these two, and I'm going to get 11y squared, and I'm going to get a minus 20y. Taking a look at this one, I'm going to distribute. So I get a 12 minus 21 plus 7 times 5 is 35. Two negatives make a positive 8r. This is 35r. Then I'm going to need to combine like terms. I'm going to put the r's first. So 35 plus 8 is 43r. And then I'm going to combine these two. And 12 minus 21 is a minus 9. And taking a look at the next one, I'm going to distribute. So I'm going to get a negative 18a to the third. Two negatives make a positive, and I get a 42a to the second. And that's going to get me a positive 66a. Now, none of the a's are the same, so I can't combine them. So when I do the last one, I'm going to get 32 minus 8b, but to have it in standard form, it's going to be negative 8b plus 32. Thanks for listening. Have a great day.